All right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to, we'll do the quadrilateral. So step one, it says use the midpoint tool to find the midpoint of all four sides of the quadrilateral. Now the midpoint tool is this one right here with the little red point in between the two blue ones. So click on that, and as you can see, it says midpoint or center. And then to find the midpoint, just go on top of any segment, click, and you will find the point that's exactly halfway across each segment. And so we're done. Step two, use the segment tool to connect each midpoint to the other midpoints next to them to draw the midpoint quadrilateral. Do not connect the midpoints across from each other. So here's what it's going to look like. If I start here, I go to here. And I would just go clockwise. All right. And again, it says do not connect the midpoints across from each other. That means I don't want to connect E to G. And I do not want to connect H to F in this case. Now, if you make a mistake, there is a delete tool that you can use, and you just have to click on it and it will get rid of it. But what you want is a quadrilateral whose vertices are the midpoints of the sides of the original quadrilateral. Step 3 says use the distance tool to find the lengths of the four sides of the new triangle, or I'm sorry, of the new quadrilateral. Here is the length tool, and so I want to find these lengths, and again, I'm just clicking on the sides that I'm trying to find. Now another thing, this is called the move tool, and I don't like how these are. I mean, this one's fine, but I don't like this right there, so I'm going to move some of these labels. You can also move the shape around. Now, the other thing I do want you to do at some point, and it'll say so in the Pear Deck, is we'll move this around and see if it changes at all. What changes or what stays the same? Okay, and there you go. That's how you do this.